What's up, guys? It's September 18th, 2024. Wow, how fast the year's going. Part one, not bad. We had FOMC today, so it was super tight range, but we still talk about the price action. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna let the cough. Of course, I just started it. I'll go all day without having to cough, without having to sneeze. The second I start this, it's everything in one shot. So, again, I'm a little sus on this gap up because let me see something. Well, maybe it's legit. Regardless of the gap up or not, bulls are getting bad follow through. We traded above yesterday's high and reversed lower. Yesterday's low was 77.75. Today's low is 75.25. So we went down about 1.5 ticks. I'm doing this a little bit past the overnight session open. So that's this bar you guys are looking at. That we're looking at FOMC bar today. Oh wow, we tested. Okay, so if this price, are we really? Sorry, I went quiet there because I just wanted to make sure, like, is this bar a reversal bar at a gap up, reversal bar at resistance? Might get kind of fun. That tail we're looking at is this high right here, 757.25. Bar one, bear bar. I think it's strong enough for a leg two. So then we see a pullback with 2 and 3. It sells a couple ticks below bar one, so we could say the leg two for bar one is done. And then look, bulls get their leg two, leg one, pull back leg two, and then this gets another leg two. We could call it leg three. Because we gotta remember the market's developing. So we see this and we think, okay, yeah, maybe that was a leg two. Then we start to see this, okay, maybe this was a pullback, low one, low two, it sold off in reverse, wedge bottom in a range. There's a bull leg right here. It's implied. And we have an inside bar at resistance. Bar 12 is stronger. I think it could get its own leg. Very deep pullback in a range, and it gets its second leg here. The second leg gives these bulls who bought this high a chance to get out. If they miss this candle here, they can get out here. Bulls up by the high tick of 12 and can get out here. So all these trap bulls can get out before the market turns around. The bull who bought here, though, would have to buy lower, but they can still get out. It's range bound price action. Sure, you could, if you're willing to average down, you would make money honestly on either side. If you short here, you get out here, you can get out on the EMA. Buy here, get out here, you make money as a scalp. I'm saying that from just like, that's what you can do. I do not do that at all. I would just wait for a breakout, but that's what's going on in ranges is people are getting trapped, they're getting out break even, it's dumping. That's how double top and double bottoms form. So bulls up about the high of 12, buy more lower to get out here. It's the double top and the high of a range. And at least the two legs lower here. Look at these three bars. They're kind of getting smaller, and then 23 is the biggest bar relative to the last 6 bear bars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and bar 23 makes 7. So bar 23 is a really nice bear bar compared to the rest of these. Two legs lower in a range. 24, deep pullback. Then we sell off for another leg 1, pullback, leg 2, break below the green EMA. Hard time for EMA. Bar 28, 28, 29, bar 29. An inside bar at resistance, so you have to be careful about those. In this case, it did lead to a lower leg, but it reversed quickly. So I'll be honest with you, if I was short on bar 30, I'd probably stay short on bar 31 because that's follow through. So if you got out on that, kudos to you because that's a really good trade, I think. Like one pullback, like two, like one pullback, like two, pullback, like three, or it could be like one pullback, like two. There's many ways to look at it. Breaking out a little higher time for me. Maybe we're in a range, wedge bottom, 32, 33, 34. Starts to spike. I think this is strong enough to get its own leg too. We now have trap bears. There's a very big gap here. 35 fall through 36. I think is these three bars make it always in long. This whole price action right here, I think is always in long flip. 37 small bar. Excuse me, 37 small bar. 38, small bar. 39 is the first trend line break, so now we have a leg 2 here. Second leg doesn't have to be symmetrical. Look at 38. Look at 40, 41, 42. It looks like it's a buy the close rally, but it could be a second leg trap. We're high in the range. We go sideways. 46, 47. Bears get trapped into the EMA, and this creates another leg 2. So here's our first leg 2 that we see. And then we don't know what's going to happen here. We get a deep pullback, and this creates a second leg 2, second leg trap at range highs. Get out the markets, FOMC in 20 minutes. Bears get their leg 1, leg 2. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Tail on 54. Big tail on 55. We had this I was watching this bar. It went down, up, down, and then it kind of did its thing. So big down, big up, could be in a range. I'm just clicking now. So this could be the range highs. This could be the range lows, and it kind of acted as the range lows. This bar I think was big enough to get its own second leg, but we're breaking out past many bars. Whoa, what the heck happened? I don't know. Why did that just happen? Great. How am I gonna fix that? Wait a minute. Okay, there we go. Oh, I can change it. Okay. Do you guys like this one? That's funny. This one's not bad. It's like a little. It's bigger than the one I just used, smaller than the one I just showed. Let me know what you guys think of this cursor. So look, this bar is closing past all the bars to the left since yesterday's bar 42, 43. We're almost closed. We got all the way up to 22's high. But so that's a good bar closing past many bars. But what's the context? The context for this bar is it's closing on or below its midpoint. It has more tail than body, so it's a range bar. We could still get a second leg. And we do. It's a weak second leg. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back. Or it could be leg 1, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, leg 1, pull back, leg 2. What I'm getting at is second leg trap again. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, 69. Big bar against you. Leg 1, deep pullback, 71. Leg 2, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. Leg 1 for the bulls, leg 2 for the bulls, leg 3 for the bulls. Creates a wedge bottom here. Trading at support. We have lower highs all the way through, so it is bearish. I think it was hard to trade today between the morning range and FOMC bars. Hope you guys made some money. I mean, there were some trades kind of getting closer towards the FOMC. You could have caught this sell. You could have caught that rip up. But ultimately, I stayed flat today. I haven't been doing too good, so I thought it'd be best to not trade FOMC if I'm trading kind of bad on the regular days. Nonetheless, pretty stoked to trade tomorrow. I've been studying a lot and just focusing on. I've been focusing a lot this year on catching breakouts. I'm gonna just try and catch leg 2s for a little bit here and just see how that goes. And I think it's gonna work out nicely because I'm starting to feel less FOMO now that I'm not looking for that breakout. And I don't think I'm gonna get chopped up anymore because I'm gonna start waiting for follow through. And if you were to truly buy these breakouts here, there's actually no 3-bar follow through. It's all just 2-bar pullbacks. Here we have 3-bar follow through. It does get its leg 213, but I mean, if you short here, you have to get out of break even or you hold through another deep pullback. And you hold for about 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. You don't have 45 minutes to get out of break even or 1 or 2 ticks unless you have to sell. So ask yourself what type of follow through you're looking for. 4-bar follow through did lead to higher prices. No follow through, no follow through, no follow through. Follow through, deep pullback, follow through. You guys have a good one. I appreciate you guys showing up and hitting me up. It's fun. So bringing this little we got 2 months left pretty much, so keep studying. Let's bring it home. I believe in all of you. You guys are all going to be good traders and be great traders. Thank you for support. If you learned something, share the show. If you didn't, don't share the show because you must not like it. But if you like it, share the show. Have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.